Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Matthew, I am an automation advisor. Your favorite no-code tool Fabati Automation Workshop has the if folder action. We will use it to check if a folder exists before doing something with it. Go to the Actions tab of your task. Click Add. Open the Logic category. Then Compare. Select the if folder action. And click OK. For the purpose of this demo I will use a fixed folder name, but in your real-world tasks you probably will have a variable from the file and folder watcher trigger or another action. This action is checking for folder existence by default, but I will change it to the condition exists and is not empty. This means that the condition will be true only when the folder exists and it contains some files or subfolders. Let's add 3 more actions to our task, and I will explain how it works. When the task is started, it will check if the My folder exists and has some items in it. If it has, then it will connect to the FTP server, it will upload a whole folder to the FTP server, and after all the files have been successfully uploaded, it will move the just uploaded files to the archive folder. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration required, and it takes only a minute. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.